Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Today's little project, what I'm going to work on is this. So when I took out the wall, when they built this shop, it was built in two different buildings at two separate times. And the wall was actually buried in between the two pieces of cement. So when I took out this wall, it left me with a giant hole in my floor, which I've just used these rubber tiles to cover up in the meantime. So I highly doubt that I got enough cement. I grabbed a couple of bags, I don't know, 6 months ago. I don't even know that I grabbed the right stuff. I do not claim by any means to be a concrete guy. I have a couple of tools. I have a mixer. I got some drywall tools and some tiling tools, some mortar tools. You know, I don't have much. Now, I know the proper way to probably do this is to cut out, 3-4 feet on either side, remove all the old concrete, lay in a nice new sidewalk in between the two to make them nice and level. The two floors are two different levels, so it's going to be a swoop up to get to the other garage floor. Now the rubber mats, they've done fine, but I can't roll engines back and forth. I can't roll engine stands back and forth. And the whole time that I've done it since I've been in the shop is I go out the one door and I roll it down the sidewalk out in front of the shop, through each crack of the sidewalk, and in the other door. So, I'm at least, I know I probably don't have enough. I'm going to have to go get more. But I'm going to see what I can get filled in tonight. And, hopefully in a couple of days, I'll be able to, at least roll stuff from one side of the shop to the other. Without having to go outside. So that's my goal. That's what we're going to shoot for. I do not expect this to come out nice or pretty or the right way. But hopefully I'll be able to go, in between the shops now a little easier. So that's my goal. So I'm going to pull up these rubber tiles. I'm going to vacuum real quick. And then we're going to dump a bag of cement in a bucket. I'll go outside. I'll squirt a little water in it. I drug the hose over. We'll get it mixed up. And I'll start, I don't know, slathering it in there, I guess. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for joining us. You can see it's a little wet down here. Yes, my shop leaks. It leaked before I took this wall out. It leaks on that side of the shop. It doesn't leak on this side. So this shop was built first. This is an add-on, not done by me. But the way that it's just caulk and tar sealer and all types of stuff where one roof meets the other. They're two different levels. Why they did it that way, I don't know. I don't understand why they didn't just make it all one one roof peak going all the way across, but I didn't build it. So, but whatever their thoughts and ideas was behind that, it didn't work, and it leaks. One day, so I got a bucket. Same cement. One day I broke the bag open and I cleaned up what spilled out and put it in this cup. So I got this high strength, quick right. I probably shouldn't have dumped all that in there. That's gonna be a pain in the butt to mix. Alright, so I'm gonna dump some in there because I shouldn't have dumped that whole bag in there. Start with that, I think. Maybe a little more. Start with that until I figure out what the heck I'm doing. Like I said, I'm no concrete guy. Now, I know I should be using a bigger drill with a handle on it, so that it's not trying to break my wrists off. But it's all I got. Yeah, that drill didn't like that. Oh, we got cement though. Okay, this is the last of it. It's gonna be close. Okay, so I actually made it from one side of the shop to the other. It's not perfect by any means, but I no longer have a hole in the floor. I will not need the mats there anymore. I think I can roll engine stands and engine hoists back and forth. No problem rolling cars back and forth. So, you know, I still have the mats here that run along in front of my toolbox. And the reason for that is because there is like a 2-inch difference between the garage floor and where all my tools and toolbox and workbench sits. So one day I would like to maybe fix that, maybe get some self-leveling stuff and just at least try and level it out. But other than that, I'm happy with that. You know, maybe I could use a nice self-leveling coat over the top of it later on down the road, maybe when I'm doing this. But I think we're good. I no longer have a giant hole in the floor. I can roll stuff back and forth, I think, with no issues. And I can't believe I made it with 2 bags. I think that side over there, it's a little steep. I think if I would have had a quarter bag more, I could have pulled it out a little bit more and leveled it out a little bit. But I'm surprised I made it with the 2 bags. I thought 2 bags would get me halfway. I'm stoked that I made it all the way across. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my concrete video. I put that in quotations because I'm not a concrete guy. I have no idea if I did that right or used the right concrete or whatever. All I know is my hole's gone. And I'm stoked. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm out.